Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix black and white screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on VN enhancement. After click on VN enhancement, click on color correction and select grayscale and turn on grayscale button. You will see if you want to fix black and white screen, so turn off color correction button. After turn off color correction button, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix black and white screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.